Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you a fantastic budget PC build perfect for video editing under $80,000. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have the AMD Ryzen 5 3600, a powerful processor that's perfect for video editing. It's priced at $14,999. Next, we have the MSI B450M Pro VDH, a motherboard that supports the Ryzen 5 3600 and is available for $7,499. For storage, we've got the WD Blue 1TB HDD, a reliable option for $2,799. Now, let's talk about the graphics card. The Radeon RX 5700 XT is a fantastic choice for video editing, and it's priced at $33,999. For the RAM, we've got the Corsair Vengeance LPEX 16GB DDR4, a high-performance option for $8,999. And finally, the power supply, the Corsair TXM550W, a reliable option for $3,999. That's it for our budget PC build under $80,000. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.